Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Sharmin Sultana. Welcome you all to today's session. Today we discuss about the functions of kidney. The kidney performs their main functions by filtering the plasma and removing the substance from the filtrate at variable rates depending on the needs of the body. Ultimately, the kidneys clear the plasma by excreting unwanted substances through urine, and those substances that are needed by the body, they return to the blood. The main function of the kidney is formation of urine. The kidneys serve many important homeostatic functions, including the following: excretion of metabolic waste products and foreign chemicals. The kidneys excrete various end substances which are produced by the metabolism, such as urea, uric acid, creatinine, end product of hemoglobin pigments such as bilirubin, and various metabolites of hormones. The kidney also excrete other foreign chemicals and toxins as well as food additives from the body. Then regulation of water and electrolyte balance, regulation of body fluid osmolality and electrolyte concentration, then regulation of arterial blood pressure, regulation of acid base balance, and ultimately these important functions kidney also perform gluconeogenesis in our body. Then we come one by one. Regulation of water balance. The kidney regulate water balance in our body by excreting various amounts of salt and water. The amount of water is precisely regulated by the intake, and also other substance in our body, they are precisely regulated by our intake. If intake is more than our output, then the amount of those substance in our body will increase, and if the intake is reduced than output, then the amount of those substance will decrease in the body. Then regulation of body fluid osmolality and electrolyte balance. The kidney excrete various substances from our body which are not needed by our body, and it also reabsorb many electrolytes from the filtrate which are needed by the body. Then regulation of arterial blood pressure. Kidney regulate long-term regulation of arterial blood pressure by many significant mechanisms. It also regulate short-term arterial blood pressure regulation by secreting hormones such as renin and some other vasoactive substances or products such as angiotensin II. Then regulation of acid base balance. Kidney excrete many acidic substances in the body, and it regulate acid base balance with other organs or parts of the body such as lungs and body fluid buffer system in our body. It has the capacity of hydrogen ion acceptance. Then regulation of acid base balance. The kidney regulate acid base balance with other parts of the body such as lungs and body fluid buffer stores. The kidney has the ability of excreting acids, and thus it regulate our body fluid buffers. it has the capacity, or it is the only means by excreting some acids from our body like sulfuric acids and phosphoric acid, which are the end product of protein metabolism. Then gluconeogenesis. The kidney produce glucose from amino acid and other precursor by a process which is known as gluconeogenesis. Kidney not always do this work, but this function only occur during prolonged fasting. Actually, this function is done by the liver, but when there is prolonged fasting, then kidney perform this function. So, these homeostatic functions in our body are precisely regulated by the kidney, and when kidney is diseased in chronic kidney disease, or when there is acute kidney disease in some other cause, then these homeostatic functions are interrupted and there is many disturbance in our body fluid composition. Thank you.